This is an old Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 that has been taken apart. Now we can see the internals of the tablet. So here they are. We first have this big battery, the two speakers, the battery connector, the camera, the headphone socket, and the processor, I think, is under this giant metal plate. So let's try to access the processor and see its cooling system. Have to be very careful to not short out the battery, because I have not removed this battery connector. Ugh. I can tell it's the processor, sort of, because this is a little warm. This little metal plate is warm. Okay, so now we should be able to lift up this little metal plate and access the processor. And nope, we can't. It's held on by some clips. So it is kind of hard to access the processor because the little metal plate is held on by some clips. But I can zoom in on the battery information. It is 4,000 milliamp hours at 3.7 volts. And here's the battery connector. It seems to have two negative wires, some weird blue wire, and two positive wires. I think these black wires are negative and the red wires are positive. So this, okay. So this is the camera right here. These are the power and volume buttons, and if I press the power button, the screen still works, even with the tablet open, which is a little interesting. So this is the inside of a Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 tablet.